The title of the poem is There is Victory in Jesus, and it was written by our own Sister Sue Thompson. Satan thought at Calvary the battle he had won, but he truly underestimated the power of God's own Son. But oh, how Satan was amazed when Jesus arose after 3 days. This was all a part of God's plan when Jesus came to earth as the Son of Man, to win the victory over death, hell, and the grave, that through him mankind could be saved. Jesus arose a victor from the dark domain, and since then Satan has never been the same. Jesus came to set mankind free, and through him they may have life eternally. No longer would they be chained by sin and under Satan's dominion. Satan knows that he is a defeated foe, and in the lake of fire one day he will go. So do not buy into the lies of Satan, your enemy. Look unto Jesus, the one who can set you free. No matter what you are going through, trust in Jesus, the faithful and the true. Remember, there is victory in Jesus.
Amen. Amen.